going, people? What's going on? Just waiting for my tram to head home back to Geelong. The Southern Cross Station. 7:30 p.m. Had a big day. Sorry, I haven't got the gimbal on. It's going a bit flat. There's Southern Cross. That's the metro trains. They're the ones that go around all the city. These are the regional ones that I catch for the V line. So I think that's actually my train. It's not open to board. Yeah, it leaves in 16 minutes. 16 minutes. It's a big station. It's got like 15 platforms. Sorry if it's a bit shaky. I know some people like seeing the train station bits. The trains just come in from regional. Maybe. It's an older, sharper trains. These are for some of the regional areas that aren't busy routes. That's 5A, that train. I've got to go into 5B, it's a bit further down. It's getting cold, it's only 5 degrees Celsius tonight. Had a bit of rain when I went out to see the Neighbours, where the TV show Neighbours was filmed, Ramsay Street. Well, it's not called that, but stay tuned to my YouTube because I walked right around there. That was a fair way out. So we've been all around, me and my friend today. We had a good day. Went to St Kilda, and so I've got a few videos to upload on my YouTube channel, so I hope you all enjoy them. I'm going to upload a couple of them tonight, but I'm going to go home and pretty much go to bed because I'm exhausted. There's another metro train coming in over there. Still a few people about. The train's coming in 14 minutes. Oh, Samsung phone doesn't like night time. It's a pretty big station. So I'm just going to walk down here. This is where the train will come in, probably from Geelong. Then you got to wait for a few minutes until they clean it, then we can all hop on. It's going to be a big packed train by the looks of it. There's heaps of people down there. Alright, I'm going to turn the video off now. Hope you enjoyed it. Can't wait to get home. There's a train coming in. It's probably coming from Geelong. See? Alright, hope you enjoyed this little video. Southern Cross Station.